Hey guys, it's me, Emily, and today we're here with another video. Finally, I've been gone and super busy the last few weeks, and so I'm finally back, and I'm here to train and chat with you guys, so let's get started. So, like I said, I've been busy. I was in Australia last week and a half. So I haven't been home to do anything. Oh, okay. I haven't been home to do anything. And so I'm finally home, but since I've been home, I've been catching up with a lot of schoolwork. So as you can see, I have my little friend here with me, Mr. Squirrel. I also did not get to be on for the birthday update. I ended up getting to get on Sunday, so I could just get the outfit real quick since the horseshoes weren't that hard to find. Okay, off to a great start. And by the way, everyone, just to clear things up, I know some of you are wondering, okay, if I moved to Frost Valley, oh my gosh, okay, and no, I did not. I do have my alternate account on there. Well, one of them. House does have a club on Frost Valley. She moved there. Well, that's it. So, I recently got a few new outfits. And this is one of them. Just so you guys know, I'm probably not going to be SSO as much. I know I really wish I could, but I have so much other things. Oh yeah, horseback riding.
Not in fake life though. Okay.
Okay. So, guys, about my next horse, like, I'm having so much trouble picking now because SSO releases too many horses. But that's really nice also because I want these pintos are I'm so happy because finally Star Stable added more Arabians that were like more pintos or paints and stuff like that because those are so pretty, which is also making my life so much more difficult because I was gonna get a Haffy and then they released the new Hanoverians and one of the Hanoverians looked just like my horse in real life. I'll insert a picture of him. And so that's driving me nuts because and then the new Arabians, so that is making me go crazy because I don't know which horse I'm going to get next, even though it's going to be a while, my 70 star coins, because I keep watching Star Stable YouTube videos of people with cute outfits, mostly Star Stable updates. That's a great person, so go subscribe to her. Even her name's not Star Stable Updates. Okay, well, so yeah, okay, sorry guys, I'm a little awkward talking for like, it's only been like 3 minutes. I can't even talk honestly for 3 minutes, which is sort of hard because I'm not really having a conversation with anyone because you guys aren't really listening to me right now at the moment till I upload this, so yeah. Also guys, I really need some video ideas, so please leave some in the comments. Like, please, I know like I watch these videos and people are like, hey, give me some ideas, and I'm just like, okay, but not actually do it. Okay, tree. So yeah, also guys, what I wanted to tell you, I just remembered, Okay. Is that... No! Okay, well... Is that... So, a while ago, like a month ago, I started working on my 50 sub special, and it's really... I'm very pleased with it, but I haven't had time, my friends haven't had time to get on when it's late enough where it's starry with me, so that's on hold. Please be patient, you guys. I really want you guys to see this because it means so much to me that you guys watch my videos, and this video I spent so much time on to make it perfect. Well, not perfect because it's not perfect, but I'm very, very, very proud of it because I can't be like, please watch this video, even though you wouldn't hear that until you watch the video. So, common sense. I'm in the club, Dangerous Hurricanes Legacy, owned by Val, who is so kind to me, and I just love her. Love you, Val. I know you'll watch this, hopefully. Yeah. Train and chat. I was like, girl, how do you talk for 15 minutes straight? Okay, well, okay, guys, I'm sorry. I keep saying okay, so stop saying okay? Okay. And sorry, guys, that I'm saying, well, like, all those stuff so much. See, I just said it. I just said, Okay, what am I doing now? I don't know. And now I'm missing checkpoints. Okay, honestly, I keep failing so bad. Oh, you guys, also, the new gates for the Arabian are so cute. I don't really remember. I can't really tell the difference because I didn't spend much time like looking at the old ones or whatever because I thought that's just how they are. So I didn't really pay attention. Oh, okay. I hate when you hit the space bar and then don't jump because that's really annoying. Oh, there's Pine. Okay, guys, so I just want to tell you guys I'm on Star Stable Amino and I post things a lot on there. My name is Emily Hayriver on there because that's my name, so yeah. So please go check me out and see my posts. Now I'm talking in a weird accent. Okay, so I am disappointed personally about the oh my goodness, Star Stable 6 birthday not having 600 star coins because I feel like they know they're like, okay, we can just try to give them a squirrel and most of them will be happy, but they'll all still not be happy that we didn't give them star coins because that's what we've always done, but we don't want to give them anything for being with us for 6 years, so we're just not going to give them anything. Well, they gave us a squirrel and all, but still, it's just a squirrel. You know how fast these things are going to disappear off the game, like no one's going to have them? Still, like, 600 star coins, the least you could do is give us 600 star coins for ripping us off of star coins. Please no one get mad at me because this is my channel. I can say what I want. It's the freedom of speech, you guys. And a lot of you guys have the same, okay, that's a little awkward. I mean, some of you guys are going to be like, oh no, Star Stable, they gave us a squirrel. And oh, la 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 la. But honestly, I don't care, guys. I'm saying what I want. I think that they should keep, if they're going to give us star coins every single year, they might as well keep doing that because it's only fair. I mean, not fair, but like, you don't just start something and end it because they're probably thinking, oh, in the future when it's 1,000 star coins, we'll at least okay. At least do it until you get to 1,000. Like, give us the 1,000 and then be like, next 10 years or whatever, do something different. Like, you can do the squirrels then, and then get a new animal each year or something. Like, but at least follow through with what you started. Like, you can't just do it when you start to realize that players are actually going to get star coins and have money to buy horses without buying your expensive $30,000, what am I saying? $30 for just 1,000 star coins. My mustache! You guys, I love this mustache so much. Like, so much. Excuse me, horse. Thank you. I know for some of you, Star Stable means the world to you, and you are like, this is all I do with my life. I don't play sports because I'm not good at them, or I don't know, I don't care. But, well, actually, I do care. Sorry if that sounded mean. But, you guys, it's a horse game. Okay, my controls are stuck. It's a horse game. Like, Star Stable, meant for kids. And grown-ups too, but like, it's a kid-friendly game, and it was made for being cheerful and happy and escaping reality. It's a fairy tale where you're the main person, so you get all the attention and you help others and all that jazz. But you guys, it's a horse game. It's not a drama game. If you're like sad or mad, don't take it out on someone else on a horse game. Like, please, friendships shouldn't be ruined over a horse game. Like, seriously, it's crazy. Like, I know, I get you guys, please don't get mad or be like, okay, but this happened to me, why are you shouting it out or whatever. But I'm not just talking about you, I'm just talking in general about that it's a horse game, and people need to stop taking this so serious, a horse game so seriously, because it's hurting people very much. Okay, enough of the rants. Let's just keep training. You guys, I'm really tired this whole day, so I'm probably really tired. Guys, I watch Heartland. Do any of you guys watch that? Because I'm obsessed. If you don't watch it, it's a horse show, 10 seasons. It's totally worth it. I'm on season 6, episode something, and it's totally worth it. It's like the best show ever. It's about a horse girl. Okay, it's about a girl who grew up on a horse ranch, and what's it called? A guy on probation or whatever comes there, and they fall in love, and a lot of stuff in between. So I definitely suggest it. Oh my gosh, Stormy! Okay guys, I'm back from that. She didn't end up answering. Come on, Stormy, you gotta answer me. But she's in Mouse's Club, but she's just randomly on Raspberry Valley. Probably because she has friends here. Okay. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. How is it like up there? My gosh. I also just wanted to say, guys, that for all of you guys who were either hit by hurricanes or have been in fires and all this craziness that's been happening, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for you guys. I'll keep you in my thoughts. So thank you. Oh, Stormy. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching so much. Bye.